So I'm going to show you today how you can restore previous versions of Office documents that are stored in your OneDrive or Sharepoint. It's very easy to do, and there's two ways of doing it. We're going to start by looking at SharePoint when accessed from the web. So if you find a document that you want to look at the previous version of, you click on these three dots next to it. And you go to version history. And then you can find the version you want. And you've got the option to either view it or restore it, make that the latest version. We can delete that version as well. You can also do this within the document itself. So if I open that Word document, see at the top of the screen here, where you've got the information on the document. If you click on that, you've got this section here that says version history. Click on that. And again, you've got the version history at the side of the screen here. So when you go there, you can open that version. So I can open an earlier version of this document if I wanted to. I click on that. There we go. And I've got the option there to compare it to the current version or to restore it and make this older version the latest version of the document. Hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching.